and why is it used? So what exactly is calculus? You might be wondering what is this calculus? It's very tough and complicated, but it's not. It's really very simple. Say you want to find the area of a rectangle. Tell me, what is the formula used to find the area of rectangle? Length
Into breadth.
length into breadth. So imagine in a hotel you have a pool. Not all hotels have pools like this. Resorts or hotels have pools like rectangular in shape pools. They have all these fancy pools like this. Something like this. So if you wanna find the area, how much you have to find out how much quantity of water can it fit in. You have to find the area of this kind of shapes. So what we are going to do is we are going to divide this shape into small rectangles like this, as small as possible like this.
But one part will be left out, no?
Yeah, you will make it so small that each and every part of the pool is covered by the rectangles. Here,
That edge there.
covered. Okay? With that, you cover it with rectangles. And after covering it with rectangles, you are gonna pick up each and every rectangle and use the area formula. And that is calculus.
Calculus also study mathematical study of change. That's why your d by dx, d by dt, rate of change of displacement and all these things. It's velocity. Yeah, v is equal to ds by dt. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. Velocity is rate of change of displacement. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. So you will be finding a lot of usage of this calculus in physics. Okay, grade 11 and 12 will be introduced to calculus.
It's going to be very complicated.
No, you're not going to do it in that sense. That is just for you to understand the conceptual meaning of it. You're going to break it up into infinitely small rectangles, very small rectangles. And the process used is integration. You're not actually doing it that. You'll understand this better when we actually go into calculus. The concept is the same. How do you find the area of a circle? Break it up into small triangles. Small triangles. Okay, and we're going to, so we'll do that as well. How to find the area of a circle. So the same concept here, but here it is calculus.